where the BJP's Akash Saxena has overtaken Samajwadi Party. And that's a good time to bring in the Samajwadi Party. It's still too soon. आपने SP और PSP का merger तो कर लिया, but Rampur अभी भी is an open game, sir.
Bharatiya Janata Party has totally misused the government machinery, and we have already requested the Election Commission. We have given n number of evidence to the Election Commission that how they have tried to tamper with the district administration, and they have not let the voters come out and vote. That's why we have seen that the vote swing in Rampur has gone from 63%, gone down from 63% in 2022 general election to 32%, which is almost just half. So actually we were thinking that the BJP minister, more than 50 minister and chief minister, they were campaigning and then trying to motivate the voters to come out and vote. But actually I think they were trying to threaten the voters not to come out and vote, because they were aware that they are going to lose this election. And I think these by-poll election, I'm quite sure that we are going to win all of these seats, and these by-poll elections should be seen as a litmus test for 2024 as far as Uttar Pradesh is concerned.
They must have threatened Mainpuri also. या तो ये है कि मैनपुरी के वोटर्स गब्बर हैं, and after being threatened they are like, नहीं अब तो हम फिर भी वोट करेंगे समाजवादी पार्टी के लिए.
Of course, I can tell you, I see.
रामपुर में तो चाकू बनता है, उनको तो कम करना चाहिए.
I can tell you, a Samajwadi supporter in Mainpuri was hit thrice by a BJP worker in Mainpuri on the voting day. His wife was accompanying him, and he got himself admitted into a hospital. This is what was happening. Many MLAs, ex-MLAs, police were after them for no reason. They were illegally detained.
Okay, very quickly, let's take a round of reactions. For a change, even the Congress is not agreeing with you, sir. Shehzad Poonawalla, then Lokesh Jindal, Yuvraj Pokhariya. Let's quickly take a word from the accused. Shehzad Poonawalla is the accused in this case. Let him respond. Yes.
No, I heard one of their other spokespersons in the morning, they were leading. That time they said that this is a resounding defeat of the BJP, and they were giving all kinds of statements. The moment they start losing, then they start doubting the Election Commission. Election Commission जो है बहाना है, अब हार से किसी को बचाना है, इसीलिए ये सब बहाना है. I mean, can you take this argument seriously that in Mainpuri it's all okay because you won, and in Rampur now that you are losing,
we are doubting the government.
Now it's not okay.
We are not just doubting; it is evident.
You can doubt everybody. You can doubt everybody. The Election Commission is in charge. They are conducting the elections with the officials. So ultimately, you're doubting a constitutional authority, which you're entitled to do so. You've even called the vaccine a
BJP's track record with respect to impartiality of election is not very good. So let's not go over there. Now, Mr. Iyer was talking about Mr. Modi's influence in Himachal Pradesh. So, Mr. Yogi...
BJP's Akash Saxena leading Rampur by 6,746 votes, by the way.
Mr. Yogi, he carried out about 16...
You know why is
Rampur की बात कीजिए ना.
रामपुर समाजवादी पार्टी का गढ़ है, और रामपुर में लीड करना
आजम खान का गढ़ है. आजम खान ने जब यहाँ पे प्रचार किया था, he was crying. He said that एक वो जमाना था जब किसी माँ के पेट से निकलने से पहले बच्चा परमिशन लेता था, और अब ये हालत हो गई है कि मेरे को जेल में रखा हुआ है.
रामपुर में Hindus vote for Azam Khan, interestingly, but if BJP wins, this will be big. This is a very big news.
Yuvraj, you wanted to speak.
The opposition cannot keep on cribbing for years and for years. They need to understand that BJP is a serious political party. It stays perpetually in election mode. आप हमेशा ये opposition complain करती है कि a sword of ministers were campaigning, PM himself was campaigning. Was there serious politicians? Let them do. आप लोग क्यों घर पे बैठे रहे तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता. और ये एक नैरेटिव ना, इट इज अ वेरी क्लीशे नैरेटिव. व्हेन बीजेपी इज स्विंगिंग द इलेक्शन तो आपको ये लगता है कि ईवीएम इज हैक्ड, लेकिन जब आप जीतते हो तब इट इज अ मूव टू 2024.
Even as we speak, the 25th round is over, and now Akash Saxena is leading by nearly 11,000 votes. Mr. Rajgopalan.
Here, Dimple Yadav is winning because of sympathy vote of Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav. Here in Rampur, it is anti-Azam Khan vote, that is why BJP is winning. And moreover, my understanding of UP, very little bit of, because I went to Rampur during the assembly elections, Rampur is different clay altogether, because Azam Khan had a hold over that. Now that has gone into TIS. Azam Khan is likely to be, in dock. Yogi Adityanath administration is a kudos to his administration.
And here, by the way, Mr. Abbas Haider, I want to tell you something, because Rampur, when the investigation was opened into the charges made against Mr. Azam Khan, आपको पता है कि 5 कंप्लेनेंट मुसलमान हैं. तो ये जो पूरा बताया जाता है कि भाजपा सरकार ने उठा करके आजम खान को विक्टिमाइज किया है, जो लोग कह रहे हैं कि हमारी जमीन छीनी गई है, वो कोई हिंदू नहीं है, वो रामपुर के मुसलमान ही है. ये मुस्लिम बाहुल इलाका है ये.
आई डोंट नो, मुझे नहीं पता ये आई डोंट नो ये हिंदू मुस्लिम एंगल कहां से ले आए आप. आई एम नॉट श्योर ये कहां से आ गया, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज इफ 60%
because Azam Khan Saab always said
voter
that the BJP is the villain because they are anti-Muslims and the Samajwadi Party is looking after the interests of Muslims. पर ये कैसा इंटरेस्ट है कि मुसलमान की जमीन को हड़पा जाए? ये तो कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है ना.
इट इज नॉट अबाउट इंटरेस्ट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी.
मुलायम जी बोलते कि मुझे मुल्ला मुलायम बोलो.
ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर
मुसलमान का एंगल तब आया.
These matters are sub judice.
आजम खान ने.
And Hindu Musliman angle, I'm saying that only 32% voters have voted in this election. Isn't it alarming for you? I mean, isn't it unprecedented?
It is indeed alarming.
Have you
Maybe
seen
it's
ever
alarming
before
for you
that only 32%
that the voter did
voter
not
of a
turn
particular
out?
constituency came out to vote?
Maybe the alarming thing is that the voters simply did not turn out
Because
they were disgusted, they did not feel. सर आप ये बता दीजिए, आप ये बता दीजिए. Okay, चलिए ये बाइपोल आप हार गए. इसके पहले रामपुर में
I'm telling you,
this is the assembly बाइपोल, right?
No, we are not losing.
इसके पहले आप
Then we are not losing.
लोकसभा बाइपोल भी तो हारे. वो क्यों हारे?
Please, let me complete. No, we are not going to lose this by poll. I'm telling you with total conviction. But there was an atmosphere of terror being created in Rampur. This is everybody.
But
even
who
your
gave
reporters
complaint
in Rampur
against
can
her?
tell you what was happening there. People were natural. You can see a police officer of a circle officer rank who was asking a voter to go back because he was not letting him.
I'm just being told that celebrations have started, that there is a roadshow of celebration. That's of the Samajwadi Party or of the BJP. What is the celebration that we are talking about here?
Against the Bharatiya Janata Party.
I think Akhilesh Yadav. All right, Rewa Ba Jadeja. Now here's a very interesting story. Let's talk about Rewa Ba Jadeja. She is all of 32 years old. About a couple of years ago, she started an NGO. She, of course, is the wife of Ravindra Jadeja, but now she's a full-time politician. A couple of years ago, she started an NGO where she was getting young girls, she was paying for the marriage of young girls, right? And the Prime Minister wrote a letter appreciating. She got this ticket replacing a BJP MLA called Hakuba. Now, Hakuba is a local strong man, but the reason that he was replaced was because the court had refused to quash a case of rioting against him. Now, Hakuba was replaced, and look at what the BJP did. There are 3 urban seats in Jamnagar, which Hakuba was made election in charge of. So, उनकी सीट लेकर के रीवा बा को दी and हक्कूबा को उन्हीं के इलेक्शन जिताने का इंचार्ज बना दिया. And here is the result, if I'm not mistaken. Rewa Ba Jadeja has also won by a margin of about 20 to 30,000 votes. A 32-year-old lady. What does that tell you? Lokesh Jindal, 32-year-old lady. Okay, Dimple Yadav has won Mainpuri. Abbas Haider साहब वहाँ डराने धमकाने गलत EVM पुलिस की गुंडागर्दी कुछ भी काम नहीं किया. चलिए, कांग्रेचुलेशंस, मैनपुरी हैज बीन वन. नेताजी की लेगेसी आपके पास सुरक्षित है. डिंपल जी जीत गई हैं ये इलेक्शन. कांग्रेचुलेशंस. एनी थॉट्स? Abbas Haider साहब.
Mainpuri has been won. We are going to win Kutiana in Gujarat, and we are also going to win Rampur as well as Khatoli. We are quite sure about it.
Sir, let's be very honest. You are winning Kutiana and Gujarat because of Kandal Jadeja, not because of your party symbol. वहाँ पे हर किसी को पता है कि वहाँ वो समाजवादी पार्टी पे लड़ते हैं. जब वो एनसीपी से लड़े थे ना, पहले एनसीपी से लड़े थे, वो एनसीपी को जिताया था. आपकी सिंबल ले लिया, आपके सिंबल पे जीत गए. ऐसा थोड़ी ना कि कोई वो एसपी के सिंबल की वजह से जीते हैं. वहाँ संतोष बेन जडेजा के नाम पे जीते हैं, वो समाजवादी पार्टी के सिंबल पे नहीं जीते.
At least we have got a seat in Gujarat.
अरे वाह,
Congratulations.
ये देखिए, ये आप एंगल.
Congratulations.
Can you give similar angle to BJP who are winning seats in different states? आई मीन ये एंगल आपने समाजवादी के लिए दे दिया।
साहब आपकी समाजवादी पार्टी में ये परंपरा रही है कि बाहुबलियों को टिकट दिया करो, भले कितने हजारों केस हो उनके ऊपर, बाहुबलियों को टिकट देते हैं आप लोग ताकि आप जीत पाए, और उसके बाद आप लोग ज्ञान देते हैं कि गुंडागर्दी ये कर रहे हैं, गुंडागर्दी वो कर रहे हैं।
समाजवादी पार्टी हर उस व्यक्ति को टिकट देगी।
Okay, we are getting another bypoll information. Remember, there are 5